How to buy WLFI token on bitget wallet. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, to be able to buy this token on bitget wallet, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the base network. Open your bitget wallet for that. And now as you can see here, select the base as a network from the top. As you can see, select the base as a network, click on this plus icon, place the token address here. So if you are from the start, click on this plus icon and you will be added this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added that called WLFI. So after you find this, click on it like that, and now click on swap here, switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet now with that type how much you want to buy. And here in a while you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is enough. After that, this is a simple, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy WLFI token on bitget wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.